Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is remarkable. Let's learn what it means. Remarkable means unusual, impressive, or worthy of attention. A remarkable person, achievement, or experience stands out because it is special or exceptional. Here's an example. Her remarkable dedication helped the team achieve outstanding results. This means her effort and commitment were impressive and worthy of recognition. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word remarkable? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.